Melody. Guys, guess who is here? Oh, beautiful lady from Burkina Faso.
Hey.
In fact, ladies in Burkina Faso, they are so beautiful. And then, well, they are nice. They are nice people.
Thank you.
So, Melody, what do you do?
In my daily life, I'm a project coordinator. Okay. And yes, I am also your tour guide right now. Yes.
That's beautiful. When I was coming to Burkina Faso, I actually Googled, and Google told me not to come. But after coming, I realized that it was worth it. So I just want to be asking few questions. What do you think we should know before we come to Burkina Faso?
Okay. If it's your first time coming to Burkina Faso, there are a lot of things to know. Things like first of all, the SIM card that you should have.
Okay.
You should prefer Move or Orange.
Why?
Because most people here, they have the two numbers.
Okay.
They have both. Yes. So you will have more. It will be more easy for you to contact people.
Okay.
Than having another phone number. There's another one with Telecel, but it is less used.
Okay.
And if you are coming, you should know that the place it also has dust.
Okay.
We are in the desert.
Okay.
It is a different experience for you. And so you should bring sometimes things to cover your hair.
Okay.
Or maybe a nose mask. You may need it sometimes. And when you get here, you are likely going to ride with someone who has a bike. To ride on a bike.
Okay.
That one is for sure. Maybe you are going to have a car and be riding away around, but the experience is less nice because the whole point of being in Burkina, we are a community that really prefers riding bikes. Because it's very convenient. We don't have extremely large distances.
Okay.
And you wouldn't like to be stuck in traffic with your car or with a car. When you don't need to.
Okay.
Yes. So if you get here, you can also look for a hamlet.
Okay.
So that when you are moving around, or if the person who is coming to get you can also bring a hamlet. In fact, I should have brought a hamlet.
Yeah, you didn't bring some.
Yes, I had it in my mind, but I forgot
completely.
Yes, and depending on the period that you come, it may be hot. Like right now, it's March, April, until June is very hot. April is the worst. That's the extreme part.
Wow.
It's very hot. It can get up to 45 degrees.
Wow.
Yeah. Last year, we recorded the highest was 45 degrees Celsius. So you should be aware of that, and maybe you won't like to be riding around in midday, like around 12 p.m. You wouldn't like that.
Okay.
But in the afternoon, from 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. it's fine. And so if you are coming in that during that period, you should be having clothes that are light.
Okay.
You know, light. If you have the long dress too. You see the Muslim long dress?
Yes.
Yeah, it's not.
I noticed you like wearing long dress, although you're a Christian.
I even wanted to wear it today, but unfortunately I didn't wash it.
Okay.
Yes, because it is very convenient. It's hot, and you wouldn't like to be in jeans every day. It's not adapted. So that is one thing. Maybe it's your opportunity to learn how to wear that kind of dress.
Okay.
You will like it. I'm telling you, you will like it. It's so comfortable. But if you are coming around July, August, September, it's a rainy season. And at that moment, what you would need is a raincoat.
Okay.
You will need a raincoat because even if it rains, you will be riding. You ride under the rain with your raincoat.
Oh, wow.
Peacefully, you protect your stuff, you protect yourself, and then you ride.
Wow.
That's it. You have your hamlet, you are protected. it is only your motorbike who is going to suffer, but it's fine. It is solid enough.
Wow.
And what else? During the rainy season, yeah, it's a very good moment for sleeping at home. And from September until October, October are really the best periods. It is not hot, it is not raining, it is a little cold, it's perfect.
Wow.
But if you are coming in December, January, February, bring a coat. Bring a coat. It's going to be extremely cold.
Wow.
I don't know if that is cold for you, because 15 degrees for us is
Wow.
cold. Being in the desert and being used to average temperatures of 30, 35 degrees, when you get to 15, 14, it's very hot. Yeah, very cold, I mean. So during that period, you should have a pullover. You should have a pullover. You should have a coat to protect yourself. And February, the Harmattan starts. January, February, the Harmattan starts. So it is cold and very dusty during that period. So you should have a nose mask as well during that period. What else? Yeah, a lot of things.
So that's what I should know before coming.
Yes.
Should I expect something funny, or what should I expect?
Funny.
I mean,
Maybe
you
in
know,
terms
they
of
are trying to say
cost.
that the country is not stable. What do you think? Should I expect something?
Oh, you know, we are here.
Mm-hmm.
The country is not stable. I think there are cities that are less safe than Ouagadougou. Ouagadougou is very safe. There are many other cities. In my work, I usually travel a lot in the regions. I go to Kudugu, I go to Dedugu, I go to Bobo Dioulasso, I go to Waiguia, I go to Manga. I go everywhere almost.
Wow.
And it's fine. It's actually fine. I mean, the place that is red is the border between Burkina, Mali, and Niger. And that is known. But people have exaggerated as if the whole country is red. Now, we are fighting to secure that space. But in the meantime, we are reinforcing our security in all the other cities. So the fact that the security is reinforced, you are even going to be even safer here. You know, the weather is hot right now, and so during this moment, people like to be outdoors. Outdoors meaning that there are many places that you will see people are sitting outside at the border of the street, drinking, having some drinks, and you have meat in front of them. Oh, by the way, here we like eating the meat. When we go out like this, we eat the meat alone. No.
Okay,
We don't do like meat. Like the other day, we were eating the poisson braisé, the fish, the grilled fish, and you asked for something etiquette.
Yes.
to support it.
Yes.
No, we will eat the fish like this. Yes, 100%.
Wow, cultural shock.
Yes. Hey. If you are not full, you will add more.
Wow.
Yes. And then the chicken, the same. Like we can take like one chicken, and we like the small chicken, poulet bicyclette.
Okay.
The local one. If you sell the big one, people don't want.
Okay.
Yes, because the big one doesn't have flavor. The flavor is all gone. But the small one is concentrated in flavor. So I prefer to sit and have the small one, have two, rather than have the big one. Yes.
I know you guys have a lot of name for
The chicken.
chickens.
Yes. Okay, let me do a course
Okay.
on Burkinabe chicken.
Let's have it.
Okay. First of all,
Uh-huh.
the local chicken here in Burkina is called poulet bicyclette.
Okay.
Bicyclette is like a
Bicycle. Yeah.
bicycle. Because the reason why it has that name is that when the chicken is most of the time produced in the village, but it is mostly consumed in the cities.
Okay.
But the way that it gets from the village to the cities is through the bicycles. Yes. So the bicycles, the distributors, the one that do the connection between the two, they usually go in the villages. They get the chicken and they place it in their bicycle in such a way that the bicycle is excessively full
Wow.
with chicken alone. And so you can see sometimes in pictures they have bicycle in front, bicycle at the back. All around is bicycle, is chicken all over the bicycle.
Wow.
So that's how the name poulet bicyclette came.
Okay.
Right, and it states exactly the local chicken. It's not the other chicken.
Okay.
Because the new chicken, I mean, people have different way of transporting it. And here we have innovated so much in the way that we do chicken that you will be amazed. We have poulet flambé or poulet télévisé.
Hey.
Yes, that's the one that you see in the oven.
Okay.
There's one here, by the way,
Alright.
in the oven, and then you see the chicken is turning,
Okay.
and there's some little fire. It will turn, all the oil will go down,
Wow.
and then it will only be left with the meat. That one is flambé or télévisé. And then we have poulet grillé, that we call poulet grillé. It has many variants.
Okay.
There's poulet grillé à l'ail.
Oh.
They do it with garlic. So they will season the chicken with garlic and other spices, and they will grill it on the fire on top of a grill. That one is poulet grillé à l'ail. We have poulet à la chasse. It's the third one now. Poulet à la chasse. Poulet à la chasse is you see the powdered pepper. They will take it, they will marinate the chicken with the powdered pepper, and they will put it, they don't add anything else, only salt and pepper.
Wow.
They put it on the grill, they grill it again, and at the end you can see the chicken is peppery.
Wow.
Very spicy. That one too is one style.
Hey.
And then we have poulet sauté. Poulet sauté is with veggies. So you you have the vegetables on a pot. You saute it.
Okay. You're going to fry it.
Spice the vegetables.
Okay.
And then you add the tomato paste a little. And then you add the chicken. You add the soup. Before that, you have cooked the chicken with the soup, and then you add a little of the chicken with the little soup. You like the soup concentrate too. Don't do many. Like here, we like when it is concentrated and rich.
Wow.
Yes, and then that one is poulet sauté. Have poulet au sumbala. This one
At
is,
this point.
this one is for the initiated.
Okay.
Yeah. Those who know the place. Not everybody knows. Oh.
Okay.
So that's 4 for 5. I don't even know. Poulet au sumbala. Poulet au sumbala is what Ghanaians call dawa dawa.
Dawa. Okay.
Some people call it, some other cultures call it sumara, but we call sumbala.
Okay.
So poulet au sumbala is with that local spice. It's a West African spice. We eat it a lot here for stews, for rice, we even innovated with it with spaghetti. And poulet au sumbala. Then we have poulet au couscous. Yes.
At this point, I'm amazed.
It's not done. Poulet au couscous. Some people sell it. Me, I don't know how to do it, but I do think that they put the couscous inside the chicken.
Okay.
Yes, inside the chicken, and they will now put it. I don't know how they do it. It's nice. Just know that it is nice.
It's nice.
And they have poulet au rabile.
Hey.
Poulet au rabile. Rabile is like yeast. It's like yeast that they use to brew the local beer.
Okay.
And so they use that same yeast to do stew that they will cook the chicken inside it.
Okay.
Poulet au rabile. And then we have poulet frit, fried chicken.
At this point,
I know a guy. He has a spot. He does it the whole chicken. Like you take the whole chicken, you put in the oil, you fry. Like you have marinated, you fry, and then you come out, and they will come and serve it to you like this, one chicken. Hey, yes,
Ooh.
yes.
I have to visit him.
Yes. And then we have semore. Semore is the way that they do the chicken in the village. That one is they put salt, only salt. You know, in the village they don't use much spices or whatever. Only salt. And they grill it. They grill it straight on the fire.
Wow.
Straight on the fire. Straight. Yes. And that one, it's when you eat it, it's another taste, like can't be explained. It has to be tested. And we have poulet piqué.
Okay.
Poulet piqué is the way that they put it on the sticks.
Okay.
They put it like it stands like this, and then there's fire in the middle.
Okay, that's beautiful. So when I come to Burkina, what are some of the things I should do and some of the things I shouldn't do?
Okay. For example, I know in Ghana you don't greet much with the hand.
Yes.
We do that.
Yes,
So,
I see that a lot. A lot of people want to shake your hand.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you get to someone, you are close enough to the person and you greet the person, you should be holding, you should give your hand.
Okay.
So that you are greeting.
Okay.
If you don't greet and you just greet like this, sometimes people will not say something, but they don't see it, perceive it well, you know. That's a way of showing respect to the other person. You greet. And greeting itself is important. You should greet. Yes, greeting itself is important. When you get to greet. If you don't greet, you just pass in front of people like this, you go. Okay. If you go and fall there, who's going to help you?
No one.
No, it's the people that you just pass in front of them.
Yeah.
They will still help you. But I mean, so that you prepare your tomorrow, you prepare your next minute, next 40, 50 minutes. Just greet people. Just let them know that you have seen them. I see you. You too see me. I am here. Yeah, so that is one aspect. And we also eat with the right hand. I know maybe you are left-handed. If you eat with your left hand, nobody's going to tell you anything, but they may be looking, being surprised. But they may understand simply that you are not from here.
Okay.
Because if you are, you eat with your right hand. I think this is like almost every other nationality.
Okay.
We like when people speak our language. You know, at least you learn a few words. Even if it is good morning, the most spoken language here is More.
More. So how do you say good morning, More?
Neibero. Yes, so that is good morning.
Okay.
And in the afternoon you say Niwiniga. And in the evening you say Neizabre.
Okay.
Zabre. And the other one replies Zabre Kiema.
Oh.
Lafi. Lafi means health.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like you are saying, I am in good health.
Wow.
And you also ask the person if he's feeling well. So, yeah. And what else?
How do you say thank you?
Barka.
Barka. Okay. That's amazing.
Barka. That's a simple expression. Yeah.
Pretty much that's what we should do and that's what we shouldn't do.
What you shouldn't do, I said that, right?
Yeah.
What you should do?
I'm not sure. You only said what we should do. Like we should greet when they are greeting us, our hand shaking. Yeah. But what we shouldn't do, we shouldn't use our left hand to eat.
Yeah.
And
what?
I think that was all.
Thank you.
Thank you.